Yes, good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you will be fine and healthy at home. So, today we are going to start our lesson number 4. The name of this lesson, Pianist Matin. So, now the students, yesterday we had studied about the biography of Pianist Matin. So, today we will discuss about a biography and give a small recap of Pianist Matin. So, you know that the pianist Madden is a very talented musician and he was born in 1993. He received his first piano lesson at the age of 13 and made rapid progress. After he became a student of Mrs. Eva Malkin and a few years later with the Professor Jonathan Jack, he completed his study at the Buchman Mehta School of Music in Tel Aviv University. So now he is a very talented musician and traveled all over the world. So now the student, I am sharing you a clip, the biography of pianist Madam. Please have a look.
Very young age. So she decides to complete her graduation now. Everyone around her thinks that it is a foolish idea as it is too late to study at this age. But Jen doesn't give up. She works hard and passes with flying colors. The greatest of genius have succeeded only because of hard work, irrespective of when they started training. Some, like the 18th century Austrian composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, started early at the age of 4. By the age of 5, he was composing his own little musical pieces. In contrast, the Israeli pianist Meitan Fishoff was 13 when he began learning to play the piano. He worked hard for 10 years under two teachers and mentors, Mrs. Eva Maikin and Jonathan Zack, and mastered the piano. He trained to become a concert pianist and went on to give piano recitals. A pianist is said to give piano recitals when he or she plays solo in a concert to showcase the mastery of the instrument. Piano recital was invented in the 19th century by composer Franz Liszt. Like Liszt, through his performances, Fischow has captivated audiences by playing music of great classical musicians such as Frédéric Chopin, Johannes Brahms, and modern composers like Paul Ben Hayne. Fischow is known for his virtuosity and talent and his creative interpretations of well-known musical pieces. Have you wished to learn something but haven't yet? Like Jen, don't give up on that dream, even if you think it's too late, as everything you learn will add to your personality and make you a skilled person. Pianist Meitan. Jen
Now, okay, student, today we will discuss the dictation word, question answer, and word meaning. So, I am starting the chapter number 4, pianist matter. So, here is a dictation word. First is here composer, the Composer. Okay, student, composer means a person who write music. Okay, so now second is here tradition. Tradition, a custom, belief, or way of doing something that he continued from the past to present. Okay student, ट्रेडिशन मीन्स क्या हो रहा है कि परंपरा, कि जो आपका जो कस्टम है, जो बिलीफ है, और जो वे ऑफ डूइंग समथिंग दैट आर कंटिन्यू, जो आपने देखा कि इस चैप्टर के अंदर कंटिन्यू क्या हो रहा था कि 18th सेंचुरी में भी, 19th सेंचुरी में भी, एंड ओवरऑल कंटिन्यू लैटिन क्या कर रहा था, अपनी ये जो म्यूजिकल जो पियानिस्ट थे वो अपना जो क्या दे रहे थे, बेस्ट दे रहे थे. So now third one is here musician, Musician, musician. Here the musician is a person who plays a musical instrument or write music. Okay, now number 4 is here undertaking. Undertaking, which means a piece of work or business, means a formal or legal promise to do something. Okay, Now number fifth is here training. Traiming. So training is teaching or developing in oneself or other any skill and knowledge, okay, or fitness that related to specific useful competency. Now you have to understand training and the Martin training under his two teacher. Now number six is here performance. Performance, performance. Performance, which means the act of performing something in front of any audience, okay, something that you perform. So now in other word we can say the way a person perform a play, a concert, okay. Now number seven is here descendant. Descendant, which means a person who belongs to some family or somebody who lived a long time ago. So number eight, audiences, which means all the people who are watching or listening to a play, concert, speech and television. So here you have to understood the dictation word. So now we move on the word meanings. So student, here the first word meaning is here honing. Honing. So now the student honing means making something perfect over a period of time. मतलब जो period of time में हो रहा है उसके अंदर हम क्या बन रहे हैं, making something perfect बन रहे हैं उस चीज के लिए, okay. Feat, next is here feat, an achievement that requires ग्रेट करेज, स्किल और स्ट्रेंथ. एक जो अचीवमेंट जो अचीवमेंट जो प्राप्त करनी है उसके लिए हमको क्या चाहिए, ग्रेट करेज चाहिए, स्किल चाहिए और स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज हियर मेमोरेबल, समथिंग दैट इज वर्थ रिमेम्बरिंग. Number fourth is here pioneered. Pioneered, which means to be one of the first people to do something. I told you in the chapter that pioneered Martin started means begin, the first one, and he begin. जो चीज नई शुरू करते हैं लोग, जो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, pioneer. Next is fifth one is mastery, being extremely skilled in a particular subject or activity. So now, so student, in this word meaning you notice that extremely skilled in a particular subject or activity. हम किसी particular subject में, activity में हम उसके अंदर महारत हासिल कर लेते हैं तो हम उसके क्या बन जाते हैं, मास्टर बन जाते हैं. So now number 6 is here captivated. Captivated, captivated, which means attracted and held the interest and attention of someone. So now attract मतलब क्या करता है, आकर्षित करना, and held the interest, और क्या करना, अपने उसमें इंटरेस्ट बनाए रखना, and attention of someone, और किसी का और सभी का जो ध्यान है वो अपनी तरफ बनाए रखना, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, captivated. So number 7 is here virtuosity. So now, which means being greatly skilled at something, particularly music. जो हम जिसकी बात कर रहे हैं, किसकी बात कर रहे हैं, particularly music की बात कर रहे हैं, जिसमें हम क्या करते हैं, greatly skilled लेते हैं. So which means virtuosity. So now we have completed the word meaning. Now we will come the question answer. So now here the question number 1, who is Martin Fisher? When did he start to play the piano? मैटन फिशो कौन है, when did he start to play the piano, और उसने पियानो प्ले करना कब स्टार्ट किया था. सो आंसर इज हियर, Martin Fisher is an Israeli musician. Israeli musician means belong to Israel, who had traveled all over the world and has even performed in India. वो पूरे वर्ल्ड में उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया था और इवन इंडिया में भी उन्होंने अपनी परफॉर्मेंस दी थी. He was 13 when he began learning to play the piano. जब वो 13 साल की थी तब उन्होंने पियानो प्ले करना सीखा था. So now we have to understand the answer number 1. So number 2 is here, who has mentored Martin in mastering the piano? कौन mentor था? मैटिन का जो उसने मास्टरी करी थी उन्होंने पियानो में. So now answer is here. Mrs. Eva Malkin and Jonas Jack has mentored Martin Fisher in mastering the piano. Okay, so here are the two mentors of the Martin, pianist Martin. So now third one is here. What is a piano recital? So now the student, I told you in the chapter, recital means also a playing. Here piano recital is a performance given by just one or two musicians. क्यों एक और दो म्यूजिशियन क्यों दी जाती है? क्योंकि उनके बारे में पता चले कि कौन कितना बेटर है. अगर सारे के सारे एक साथ ही म्यूजिशियंस एक ही स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करेंगे एक साथ, तो किसी के बारे में पता नहीं चलेगा which one is better. Okay, so now next is here number 4. Name any two classical musicians mentioned in this chapter. So now some of the classical musicians are Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart and Franz Liszt. Okay, the two classical musician is here. One is Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart and second is Franz Liszt. Okay, now number 5th one is here. Where has Martin traveled to and performed? Martin has traveled to and performed at Estonia, Spain, Greece and India. So now number 6. What did Martin say about Indian classical music? Martin ने Indian classical music के बारे में क्या कहा? देखिए, when interviewed in India, when he traveled all over the world and he also give the performance in India also. So when he interviewed in India, Martin said that he draws inspiration. He draws inspiration from music that he foreign to him, like Indian classical music, which is described as like music. Okay, student, musical Indian classical music को उन्होंने क्या describe किया? As a like music. Okay, so now we have completed the question answer of this chapter. So now the student, if you have any query, you can ask me related this question answer. Okay.